Welcome back to Mommy's Designs. My name is Norma, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review on this very nice 20-ounce tumbler. We're going to be sublimating it so that we can see the quality of the end product. And in the description box, make sure that you go down and check it out, because I'm going to be putting the link of this product and every single thing that I use for this video. I'm very excited about this. So as a perk at the end of the video, I'm going to be adding the breakdown. If you're a small business owner, I'm going to be showing you how much you pay for the tumbler, how much you can sell it for, how much is your investment, and how much the profit is going to be. So let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. With the order, you get 8 sets of what I'm going to show you right now. You get your tumbler, and it has the lid, where the lid has this rubber band around it so that it tightens the liquid nicely. It has this opening for you to sip your drink, and when it's closed, no liquid comes out. It has this little silicone that you can put on the tumbler after you print it. You also get this stainless steel straw, and then you get a brush to clean it. It comes with a ribbon to decorate it if you want to. It comes in a see-through bag. It has a sleeve to use to print your item and to wrap it around your tumbler, and it comes with the sublimation sheets. You need to use a sublimation printer as well. When you print in a conventional oven, you do need the sleeve. When you do it in a regular Mac printer, you don't need the sleeve. This is the image that I'm going to print on the pink. Make sure that if you touch the white part of your tumbler, that you clean it. Sometimes when it has a lot of fingerprints, you need to do it with alcohol, but that's not the case right now. So we're just going to go ahead and put our image just like that, and it's going to overlap a little. So I think I'm just going to cut a little more. And as you can see, you need to print your image on the white side of the paper, not on the... So you just go ahead and apply your tape. And I'm going to show you what I do, not necessarily what anybody else does, because I'm not using a conventional oven. I'm going to wrap my tumbler in a piece of butcher paper. And then I'm going to get, in this case, I'm going to use 2, but I'm going to get a thermal. Okay, so it's ready to be printed. The tumbler is ready to be printed. I only have a coffee mug sleeve. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to turn it to the other side. So I'm just going to go here, and I'm using 395 for 30 seconds, which is 5 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it around. Okay, so here's our mug. There we go. So all we really need to do is we can close it. We can go ahead and put the bottom silicone part so it doesn't slip. Just like that. We put it in the plastic bag. I have to say that the tumbler is a very good quality. The printing is nice. The packaging is nice. Here's the box. We're going to go ahead and close it. And this is what I did with the ribbon that it was added to it. So all I did with this is I grabbed the ribbon and I made a little loop, and I twisted it around, and I made another loop. So I did 3 loops in each side, And then I grab a little bit of very thin thread, and I put some drop beads to make a flower, and that's all I did. So I don't have a way to tie it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue it. So use my glue gun, glue it, hold it there for a second, and there you go. For you to give to someone you like, or a birthday, or if you want to sell them. Remember, I'm going to go ahead and put the information for the breakdown. It is 1:40 right now. It's been 17 hours and the cup still has like above the middle part of ice. So there you go. This is for the hot water, 194 Fahrenheit. It has been 7 hours and the temperature is still at 110. That's all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.